Good morning and happy Sunday. This is my fit today. My church fit. I need to give me another watch cover. I busted it at the pool. But this is my fit today. Just cute and casual. It's raining in Texas, so I'm not trying to get my feet wet. So I got some boots that I got from Shein a while ago. This Headwrap is from Feline. I'll tag her. Earring culture. Earring culture. Earring culture. Earring culture. I got this top from either TJ Maxx or Marshalls. The pant from New York Company. And what else, y'all? Oh, I buy direct. So this is my fit. Wonder on the jacket because I don't do the sleeves down church. Peace, y'all. Y'all be good, be nice, and don't be mean to nobody. Have a great day.